Good morning, class 7. This is your science lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss remaining exercise of unit number 7. Question number 3. Write a note on respiratory disorder. Respiratory disorder पे आपने पूरा एक complete note लिखना है. Cancer is a disease in which cells start to divide rapidly until they get out of control. Number 2. Emphysema. Emphysema is a lung condition in which wall of alveoli become thin and weak. They eventually break down, leaving empty spaces in the lungs so that breathing becomes difficult. Asthma, when bronchioles become narrow, so less air is able to enter the lungs. This causes problem in breathing and people suffer from asthma. Bronchitis, inflammation of air passage in the lungs. This reduces the ability of lungs to absorb oxygen. Question number 4. Where does gases exchange take place in the lungs? Alveoli have thin moist walls so that gases can pass through them easily. They provide a large surface area to give maximum contact with the air. Oxygen moves from the air inside the alveoli into the blood in capillaries. It moves easily by diffusion. At the same time, carbon dioxide moves in the opposite direction from blood to the air. The swapping of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called gases exchange. Question number 5. How can we prevent from constipation? Eating fresh fruit and vegetable can help relieve constipation. In severe cases, medicine called laxative can be given. Question number 6. Differentiate between breathing and respiration. Breathing is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Respiration is a chemical process involving oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water. In breathing, energy is not released. In respiration, energy is released. Breathing takes place outside the cell. Respiration takes place within the cell. Breathing is an exchange of gases between cell and external environment. Respiration is a process that takes place in the cell. In breathing, enzymes are not involved. In respiration, respiratory enzymes take part in respiration. Breathing is a voluntary action. Respiration is involuntary action. Better do these questions on your notebook and learn these questions very carefully.